Hey guys, welcome back to another Tesla update video. Today, me talking about my thoughts and what to expect next with Tesla. As you can see, down 0.24% today and getting smacked down from 447. We had a nice rally this morning, but of course got smacked down by the top of this bull flag trend line. This trend line is being used as a pretty strong resistance, getting smacked down from 454, 451, 44, and then we had that false breakout today, and of course got smacked down again. But before we get into it, guys, I do have a Discord where I post live trading updates for both Tesla and Nvidia. I post about 10 posts for each stock every single day, letting you know key levels to look out for, good buying positions when we're extended to one side of the spectrum or the other. And of course, I do have a community where you can drop your questions, and I'll definitely get back to you on that. But guys, getting into the analysis, obviously it is a little disheartening, some you could say, a word you could use. Getting smacked down, almost breaking out, continuously almost breaking out, and then continuously getting smacked down. Definitely not what you want to see if you are a bull. But guys, it's not the end of the world. If we break this down, we are holding great bullish structure. As you can see, the slow we made here around 424, and then came up to 452, and then made this low at 434-ish. And I've been telling my members I do not want to see price below 434, so we can keep that bullish structure. And as you can see, we did keep that bullish structure today, staying above 434. So that is good. That is what I wanted to see. Along with that, our 4-hour SMI is all the way cooled off. As you can see, we were up, in the overbought territories when we were sitting in the hot 440s. Now getting cooled off again, so we have potential and room to rally. Same as the 1-hour SMI, we were pretty close to the overbought territories when we were at 443-ish. But because we got that sell-off, we are now at the bottom. And this is when I start turning bullish on stock. So guys, we are close to a short-term, at least short-term, ideally mid-term bottom here. We should ideally get a rally soon. Again, we want to keep this bullish structure, and if we do fall below this low right here at 434, that does put longing Tesla in jeopardy. I would caution longing the stock if that does happen. You definitely do not want to see below this trend line at all. That is a big no-no at 430. We do not want to see below that. But again, even just below 434, just that tells me that we are losing a lot of bullish momentum. But guys, me personally, I do still lean bullish. I do still lean bullish on the stock. We are getting a lot of bears are excited right now because they just think that this stock will never break out, right? We've been trying for a few days now. Bears are excited. We even had that, I'm going to call it right now, a mini bull trap towards the end of the day. Bears are excited right now. So this is the time that Tesla can rally in reverse. So I don't think this is the end of the world. We're keeping that bullish structure. That SMIs are reset, so we have room to rally to the upside. Guys, that's really it. If we break out, so if we gap up to around even where we're at right now, 438.3, if we look at the daily, that would pretty much break us out of this bull flag just naturally because this top trend line is angled downwards. Ideally, we want to see around 439, but we don't need much to be breaking out of this channel is what I'm trying to say here, guys. So breaking out of this bull flag, we don't need much of that bullish pressure, and we are holding these key levels I've been mentioning. So I do think we're very close. Tesla likes to do this before we break out. It likes to just really try to give bulls no hope, and that's kind of where we are right now. Getting smacked down, a lot of bulls are giving up. But I'm not giving up, guys. I do think this is around where we should reverse and rally. And again, we do have that tariff news. We might be getting some a tariff update on the 20th, which is Tuesday, the day after MLK Day, of course. And what happened last time, guys? Last time we got that tariff news, it ended up not happening, and we ended up getting a huge rally. So ideally, we're getting that. Ideally, we get that again, right? We get that fake tariff news, stir up the market, get them bears excited for the tariff news, and then we get no news and we rally. So that's what I'm kind of hoping for right now. But again, just looking at the technical analysis, we should be close to a breakout, guys. That 4-hour SMI is near the bottom. The 1-hour SMI is near the bottom. and we're close to breaking out of this channel. Those do add up for, a pretty good bullish outlook, in my opinion. And if we do break to the upside, right now it would be around 439, 440. We need to hold above that. As you can see, we cannot hold candles above it. We even closed 2-hour candles above this trend line, but got smacked down towards the end of the day. So we do need to see at least a 4-hour candle close above this trend line. If we do get that, my first target is this gap fill, which is around, the low 450s. And my next target would be 454, which is this blue key level that we that is just a very strong key level. As you can see, we used it as support, now using it as resistance. So I'm assuming we will find some more resistance if and when we get there. And of course, if we break that next level or zone to the upside would be the mid 460s. I want to see the bulls claim that support. But guys, we are far away from there right now. I'm just letting you know the targets to the upside. First things first, we can't go below 434. We need to break and hold above this trend line. And then if that does happen, guys, I do think the bulls are gonna really wake up and push the stock back up. I don't think the bulls are by any means, dead or out of the picture. I think they're holding in just all right. So that's about all I got. It looks scary right now, but I do think the bulls have a chance to push this stock up. The bears have had plenty of opportunities to smack this thing down, which it's been smacking it down, but we've still been holding pretty close to the breakout, which is good news. So guys, that's about all I got for you. And again, if you want to join my Discord, it's only $5 a month. I do, post updates all the time. People really seem to like it. It's really cheap. You're definitely gonna get your money's worth. And of course, if you have any questions, drop them in the community chat. Guys, I will talk to you. I'll see you again Tuesday. Peace.